Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to set up direct debit on Wise easily and quickly. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise website or app and sign in with your credentials. Step 2. Go to the direct debit setup. Navigate to the payment methods or settings area where you can manage direct debits. Step 3. Add a new direct debit. Select Add Direct Debit and enter the details of the company or biller you want to pay automatically. Step 4. Confirm your bank details. Make sure your bank account linked to Wise is correct for the direct debit. Step 5. Authorize the direct debit. Follow the prompts to authorize the direct debit mandate. Wise may require verification via SMS or email. Step 6. Manage your direct debits. You can view, pause, or cancel your direct debits anytime from your account dashboard. Tip: always check the amount and date of scheduled direct debits to avoid unexpected charges. That's how to set up direct debit on Wise. Simple and efficient. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more guides. Thanks for watching.